Bello Matawalle na governor for Zamfara state, and him bin dey meeting with President Buhari. Dey talk for security matters, and e happen for Abuja. So this man, upon all the English and school wey the people talk say e go, una no go believe wetin e come out as conclusion. Relax, make I tell una first. Im say not all criminals wey dey waka with weapons dey waka with weapons because they be bad people. He say some of them dey waka with weapons based on the injustice and bad treatment wey they receive from members of the society. You know, end there. He say, and not all of them be criminals. Not all bandits be criminals. Say, if you investigate the matter very well, you go find out say they take law into their hands because they cheated, like all these vigilante groups. They say they cheat them. Say most of them, they could just meet them, kill their cows, in fact, they harass them. Now, why did they take law into their own hands? I beg, before I start anything, bring this man outside. So now, you they justify people bad behavior. You they justify criminal action. No problem. I agree with you. I agree with you, sir. You know why? Because not all mad people wey they see for road, they decrease. Now they say tramadol, they very cheap. If you get this code where I just told you, will not say they refer to you. I don't even need to tell you. Not all criminals. I not just understand. So how you go use these two words for one sentence? Criminals, bandits. Criminals, harmless. I know they get where these people they get. Wait, I get one question. Is it that these people they know they sit down for mirror, practice wetin they can't tell us before they go can't tell us? Or they know they record their voice, then listen to them again before you come public? Because if they listen to wetin they can't tell us hours before they come outside, maybe their conscience fit tell them say, bros, you don't fall fuck up for this side. You understand? Because I know they get this thing. I still they look for explanation. And they look for answer. I know they see them. Hey, criminals. So wait, when they try tell me now, say wetin this man they talk, they say if person enter your house with gun, all in the name of he's hungry. Then be say that person he no be criminal because he dey hungry. Now wetin they tell us? Criminal is a criminal. If you are hungry and you enter into somebody's house, go without a gun and beg for food. The moment you dey carry gun, I be say you get another intention. So I no content me say they are not criminals. No problem now. I just dey hope say when these same people kill any of your family members, you go defend them the way they defend them now. I no wan hear two sides of the story. The same way you come out with boldness, you open mouth, they tell us this matter. When any of your family member die due to these people, I beg, come tell us the same thing. So now you just they tell us, say, you see, just come outside straight. Because it be like say this man, he dey benefit something from these people. All of una be the same. I don't dey talk this everything. You don't dey turn to song. All of una na the same thing. Then be say our tax money, they enter voicemail every time because they use negotiate with these people, buy them weapons. Now they give them gods now to come outside. They defend them. They make everybody see, make everybody all of una wey no say you, if you know say they in charge of prison, jail houses, all those things, make we start to lock them down. Remove every prisoner from all the prisons. Yes, now because now everybody get excuse. If headsmen get excuse, no, that is big. Please, if you know you have raped, that's the reason why you're in prison, or you kill somebody, or you stole something, you are free. Because you also have a reason. Why did you kill? Because the society is treating you bad. Abi, everybody get reason. So may they remove everybody where they inside prison. Not all terrorists are evil. Some of them are angels. Not all armed robbers are bad. Some of them are your friends. nonsense upon the rubbish, upon the things that you people are just talking. Every day you come out with different things. You know, like this, you just come out, go embarrass yourself. You just come out, embarrass yourself. Which one be harmless bandits? Harmless bandits. I'm not sure say this man know the meaning of bandits. Because if you know the meaning of bandits, you no go use harmless inside the same sentence. And like you don't understand continuation of the word in the same English, in the same sentence. You understand? Because I'm not just when I say these people go school. Definitely, these people dey on drugs. They don't. No, this is not normal. This is not adults of this age. Come outside, they tell us say bandits are harmless, and you people think these people are normal. Make una sit down there. Abi una dey watch them. See people wey una come out for sun, they vote. Because that year, I remember how the queue been long, sun day. Everybody wan rush, say una dey vote for Zamfara. When go know that don't say am. People wey una dey vote for, una put them for that seat. Uneducated condoms. Now people, abeg, una don hear am. So they don't give us definition, abi they don't give us reasons why some people be criminals. Now this one, wetin una think say go happen? Now be say you don't dey give go ahead to people wey already they never start, but they don't dey plan to start. You don't ginger them. You don't give them high morale. Now be say now they go enter street, now go they misbehave. Now wetin these people they know they go. I beg, drop your comment for the comment section because before they say I don't call insult person papa. So drop and there, make sure say you share this video so that this man go hear me. You understand? And if you never subscribe, have fun. I just click on that and support your girl. Stay tuned for our next story. Former Chief of Army Staff Buratai don't come out. He dey give Nigeria in hope. He dey express him hope to Nigeria. No be small thing, no. When I first see this thing, I kind of wonder wetin this guy don't come talk. Abeg for una wey no know, listen very well. I go quote according to your own words. He say insurgency go end for Nigeria very soon. For una wey no know, insurgency simply mean rebellion against authority. And he go further. They tell us say he want sorry, make I speak English. I want to urge the new Chief of Army Staff to maintain the momentum and pressure to rid these last vestiges of the terrorists in the north. Big grammar everywhere. Now only big English they sabi speak. Ngwanu, we have heard you. Urgency. We don't hear you. Wait again. Since you are not the one eating our money, as if you are not the one supporting Boko Haram, all this plenty things. Of course, it go stop now. Insurgency will stop because you have left. Now because you did there since the thing don't stop, you don't come outside now they speak. I will bring this butala outside. Yeah. Boko Haram, where you no deal with. When na your time, you no do anything about Boko Haram. Now, as you go, now they say, now they go stop. Now wait till they try tell us now. Now they say, in other words, now because you did there, all this thing no stop. So now you they delay Nigeria progress all this while concerning this Boko Haram matter because we don't chase this Boko Haram since. Assuming we know if I don't sack you, say who be you? Who na my boyfriends? I for don't tell us since now because all this while the thing say you they do want. True God no they sleep. I better get out from my side before I change up for you now. These people who do they no? Who they think say they deceive? Me. Wahala dey o. Now today Buhari become president. No be today, don't they? So make una know they bring matter this one. Now so they bring same old stories every time. They have catch some, they have released some, they have sent some. Every day different things every day. When you were in that seat, how come you no deal with all this insurgency? How come you no finish am? Now as you come out, you don't they come preach. Instead of make you they treat people nice, you go they treat people like say they be shit. They no be human being. Now you see all these people where they at the top now so When they come down now, this one now, so now they see like this. Now shame don't cover am. You don't know waiting to come outside, can't tell us again. You don't bring, according to Rana, motivational speech, positive speech. Una never tell us the real thing where they behind all this matter. Una never tell us. But I know say something they fishy, something they go on. All of a sudden, and now insurgency go end. How come? Una no say that like this I always dey talk my matter. Later una go come say, madam Apoko, you dey right. Now like this I dey talk oh. Now e no go make sense to many people. Now tomorrow una go understand. From the head of Buhari administration to the toe, they know they serious. They have never been serious and they will never be serious. So my people, make una no even bother on yourself. No stress on yourself at all. They no need them. Forget them. Abeg na the matter be this so this one where they don't sack now. I don't know whether na style where they use so that people go tell them make it come back. My brother, you are not coming back. So my people, abeg drop the comment. You understand? Because this matter now for me and una. So drop it for the comment section. Share this video. It is very, very important. And don't go far. Love you guys. See you later.